So you're telling me I only have 5 hours to give myself a full head to toe makeover? I don't know if that's possible, but let's try it. Hey babes, so today's goal is to revamp my look for a cute day night by trying new things that I would never do, like an at-home hair blowout and also DIY lash extensions approved by TikTok. So lately I've been trying to get out of my comfort zone, and what better way than trying all of these new things and putting on a new outfit that's not just jeans and a shirt, except we only have 5 hours to attempt this glow up. So the goal is to be ready by 7:30. Our reservations are at 8, so hopefully I finish getting ready by 7:30. But first things first, I haven't eaten anything, so let's go make a smoothie, something light and fast because I have literally no time. Oh heck no, this smells like straight chile. I love this color. This is the cutest smoothie I've ever made. That's delicious. Since we're going to a Brazilian steakhouse, it's like buffet style, so I don't want to eat a lot. I want to have a big appetite so I can eat the most I can. I'm just craving the Brazilian lemonade. I want that. It's like lemonade blended with ice and condensed milk. It's so freaking bomb. Let me put a reminder on so I can bring my dairy pills so I can drink that comfortably without, you know, blessing my boyfriend with some gas later on. I'm lactose intolerant if you didn't catch it. Okay, so let's get ready. So I have a list of things I have to do here. Exactly everything we're doing is DIY lash extensions, waxing legs and arms, moisturizing my face mask, plucking my eyebrows. So I think the first thing we're actually gonna have to do is shower. Do the deep everything shower. Here are the lash extensions. I kind of want to show you guys the lash extensions first. I'm so excited for these because I've been wanting lash extensions for so long, but I just want to be financially responsible. One of my biggest goals this year is to buy a house, and to buy a house you have to just save money, as much money as you possibly can, and a full set is like $200 plus fills every 2 weeks. That's $100 once a month times 10. That's a whole 1,400 by the end of the day. Can't open this. That I could have saved for my house. Okay, here are the lashes. They look like this. They're not too long. These were only $12, and then you have to buy the glue, which is another $12, and then the most important part as well, the glue remover. Everything came out to be $40. It tells you to take a picture of the QR code to look at the tutorial, so I'm gonna look at that and then I'm gonna hop in the shower because I'm pretty positive you're not gonna be able to wet these, and I'm washing my hair. If I wash my hair, everything on my face is getting wet. Guys, so I kind of messed up. Remember I told you guys that we were gonna wax? Yeah, I just realized that I have no waxing strips, and I am not going to the store with wet hair because then I can get sick. That's what my grandma taught me. Anyways, the dress I'm wearing, it's a long dress, plus it has long sleeves, so it doesn't really matter if I'm kind of hairy. We're just gonna be doing a face mask. I exfoliated my skin in the shower. Oh my god, that means I have to moisturize my skin right now. I haven't moisturized my skin, but because I was like, I'm going to wax, and if you wax you cannot have any moisturizer on your skin. But look, there's a bunch of masks in here. I got it from Canada. My skin is more on the drier side, and if I want to do like a full face, I have to moisturize really good or it looks super cakey. We're gonna be using this lip mask. It's for sleeping, but I like to use it throughout the day. This is the moisturizer that I use. It's just shea butter. Actually, I should take this off because these masks are only meant to be worn for 5 minutes or you're gonna get really oily skin. But here we are. Right now it's 5 p.m. I have 2 hours and a half. Oh my god, I only have 2 hours. I need to hurry up. We have to hurry up. Look at how melty and buttery it becomes. Guys, my sister brought me a tea. I'm so thankful for my sister now, but honestly we used to fight all the time, really bad fights. Like my mom was scared that we were gonna like beat each other up when she was at work. Also, I'm gonna moisturize my skin and then I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows, and then after that I think I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Or should I put my lashes on first? My hair still is like 70% dry. I want it to be like a little more drier for me to blow dry it. But anyways, like I was saying, my sister and I, we used to fight really bad. It's gonna get better as long as you guys set everything aside and know how to forgive each other for, you know, your guys' mistakes. If you guys still fight and you guys are mature now, I don't know what to say, because I was just gonna say it gets better when you mature. When you get older, your siblings are literally gonna be like your best friends. But sometimes, even though we're adults, we can lack maturity in a sense of maybe your siblings just are in the wrong, but they never want to admit that they're wrong. People just naturally do not like hanging out with people like that or having to deal with people like that. I love that me and my sister, we are growing like at the same speed, so we're really like mature about things now. And I love that. I think I'm gonna go blow dry my hair now because we don't want it to dry. If it's too dry, it's not going to like form. So let's go to the bathroom. First things first, we're gonna be adding this Color Wow Protecting Coat. This basically makes sure that your hair is not frizzy, but you need a lot of it. I've noticed that using products is literally what's gonna save you, what is gonna help you a lot for this to look good and for your hair to not come out frizzy or anything like that. Another tip I would give you guys is have your blow dryer on the hottest setting. My friend gave me the cutest, the prettiest blowout, and let me tell you, it was scorching hot. She was burning my freaking scalp, but you know, at the end of the day, it's gonna look good. The next product we're gonna be using is any heat protector, because if you think about it, like I just said, you're gonna be putting a lot of heat on it. Okay, now the last product we're gonna be using is this cream. It's a blowout cream. I got this cream at Sally's. I just put like about, and we're just gonna go in. Also, something new I'm gonna try are these rollers. I have not used them yet, but I'm gonna section off our hair so I can completely dry it. I think that's the biggest thing, because if my hair is not completely dry and I go outside, poof, everywhere. I'm gonna be using this brush and I'm just gonna go in and hurry up because it is probably like 5:30 now. Yep, I'm right, 5:30. Okay, look at this little curl, okay? It's getting really hot in here, so I'm getting kind of red. Basically 6 o'clock, 5:59. This is all we have done. It's basically half of my hair. Wait, it's 6. I have an hour and a half to get ready. Oh my god, we need to hurry up. I don't really know how to work these in. Like it says, grab an inch of hair, but like an inch of hair is like this, and these are only 6 rollers. These are not enough for my hair. I have the technique down with my right arm, but like when I switch sides, it's a little harder. I also feel like my face is getting red because I'm kind of like accidentally blow drying my face. $6.06. Did I just burn my face or what? Wait, let me knock on wood, not trying to jinx it. But anyways, I just put a roller on top of my bangs because that's very crucial. And I'm just putting hairspray so it can hold, but it's not really looking like it's gonna like hold that good. Let me show you guys my hair from the back. I feel like it looks so freaking good for a at-home blow dry thing. I actually kind of do want to put it in rollers. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna straighten the parts of my hair so I can add heat to it basically, and then they can be in the roller with heat. It's 6:45 and I'm over here with the freaking burn on my face. That section was way too big. I'm just gonna section it off because I really want like curly hair. Not curly hair, but like really wavy, bouncy hair. There you go. At this point, anything works. I'm just gonna do one more and then we're gonna get to my hair. I mean, to my makeup. To my lashes, I mean, I still have to do the freaking lashes. I think that's the most important part. And since it's a thick part of my hair, I'm gonna use actual clip. Okay, but okay, we need to like, I'm just so scared right now. If I have time, I'll do my eyebrows. But as of right now, I do not have time. We're gonna be putting on the lashes, which I'm really excited for. Here are my lashes. My skin, my poor red skin. It says you have to put a lot, like add a little 3D bubble to it. Guys, I put the first one on and it looks so cute. At first it was not cooperating with me. It says you have to wait for the glue to dry for 3 minutes. So that was basically the timer. This looks so cute. Okay, my boyfriend just messaged me. He's like, are you almost ready? Do I look almost ready? Yes. The answer is yes, always. Just so he doesn't freak out, we're gonna do now the bigger strand. I should measure them. On the website though, they have like these little pinchers that I recommend you so you don't like possibly poke your eye out like I can with these. Let me do the rest of this eye and then I'll come back. Okay, this is her. The thing is, there's a whole other one left. I should have measured it, but it looks good. It doesn't really look like anything is missing. I'm gonna do my other eye and then I'll be back with you guys. And we're gonna start with our makeup because I literally have 10 minutes left. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. If I had more time, I would redo them because they're missing a little something right here. But like, we have literally no time. 7:30, 7:30. I'm not gonna do anything to my eyes. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I don't have any eyebrow products, so this is what I'm working with. Literally nothing special. I'm just putting on this foundation, a little bit concealer, bronzer, and a highlighter, and I am done. My hair. Do my eyes look too far apart because of the lash? I want to try to put on the lash, but it's like that spot is just so tiny. I'm gonna take a picture on my phone and I'm gonna look. Should we do a pulse? Like right here is super red. It's like getting more red. You guys see that? ¿Qué está pasando? What is going on? I'm pretty sure I burned my face blow drying my hair like a bot. That is such a bot thing. I'm just gonna... Guys, I only have 30 minutes left. Am I gonna be ready on time? I don't know. Still going on TikTok. I'm always like, I need to protect my peace, and then I do this to myself. Anyways, I'm almost done. Everything looks blended out. Oh my god. No me digas. This is stuck. Okay. Okay. Look. Okay, that's cute. Okay, now the one's in the back. My camera might die. This one. That one didn't really hit. That just gave me big hair. Now, for the most important one. Okay, se está acomodando. I'm gonna go put on my dress on. Yeah, okay, I'll be back. I put these earrings in garlic for like the whole day, the entire day, and they still kind of hurt. Okay, this is the dress. Okay, oh my goodness. I did it, guys. Like when I was doing my hair, I was kind of contemplating like, you know what, I should probably went to a professionalist because I don't really know what I'm doing. But clearly I did something. Let me put on setting spray. I'm kind of scared of setting spray in the sense of like, it's just always a surprise when it hits your face. That was pretty misleading because I actually handled that like a pro. Usually I'm like, my friends would be like, damn, you're fighting for your life or what? The way though that my chest is not very clear, I've been eating a lot of dairy and I think that's been making me break my back and my chest kind of break out. I'm just gonna put on powder blush because that's one thing that I did not put cream wise. I'm practically ready though. I just have to put on heels, which is like the hardest part, the most annoying part, and I have to go pee, but my mom's in the bathroom. So anyways, we're gonna highlight our collarbones. I'm gonna straighten the top of my hair just so that it doesn't get so frizzy. I feel like the more heat I add, the less frizzier it gets. You guys hear that loud engine? That loud noise? That's my boyfriend. Okay, guys. But he turned it off. Is he coming in? I don't know why he's coming in, but okay, I'm gonna put on my rings. Okay, we're ready. Anyways, this is a fit. I just have to put no show underwears on and we are out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.